Hey there, folks. Let's go to CSSBattle.dev. I've been making more weird Web October things, including this little thing on my website. Super weird, super fun. Let's go to CSSBattle.dev and actually do the daily target, which is this oddball item. I find myself wanting to make this triangle with a clip pathed thing. So let's do that first. Yeah, let's do that first. So we'll put that background color and then we'll do a clip path. Which will be polygon. And it's at the top corner, 0, 0. The far corner, far side, 50% down, and then 0, 100%. And that's how you get a triangle. Now we need to put something here. Let's go ahead and put these margins on the paragraph element for the first one. And push over 100. Oh, and then 0, and then 100, 200, 220, 30. Booyah. Push this down, 3, 4, 5, 55, 56, 57. And then more margin on this right side. Actually, less height is the more important thing. How about 50 tall? 50 could be maybe 60. And then more margin here, 70, 80, 90. How about 92? Or 90. All right, and then more margin on the top, I think. 8, 9. That's closer. How about 91, 92, 90? How about changing the height to 61, 62? All right, and then more. There it is. Oh, is it? I don't know. Tricky. Very tricky. Very tricky. All right, let's make the second one. The second one is P plus P. And that clip path is going to be a little weirder. Well, let's clip path unset. Clip path unset. And then border. And what is that border? 62? 62 pixels solid blue. And then margins are going to be 0. Great. This background is unset as well. Background, none. Is this sufficient? No. Minus 100. Oh, wait, no. So what do we need to do here? So how about minus 100? Minus 60. There it is. Okay, and then more margins here. In margin inline. Actually, just do margin. Margin, we'll say 0, 0, 0, 0. And actually, probably margin 40. Oh, wait, what? Oh, because I've got a margin 0 down here. Great. All right. This minus 61. This is actually 60. This height is going to be different. Height of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Great. Different margins. Less margin. How about 80? How about 70? 72. Great. And this background, oh, it's not null, it's a none. Great. And then this clip path, what we can clip out. Actually, we can do a mask. Let's do a mask. No, we're doing a clip path anyway. No, mask is going to be easier. That's what I've decided. Conic gradient. which will be a solid color. Red in this case. I think I learned this from one of you commenters, using red instead of a hash color because it's the shortest color, or one of the shortest colors you can use. 25%, and then transparent like that. Oh, it's backwards. So red. There we go. So something like that. All right, and so the at value needs to be at 80 pixels, 60 pixels or something. How about 180 pixels? All right. So we're creating a mask that is constituting the parts of this that we want to keep. 7, 6, great. And a little lower, 70, 80. That might be it. I get a sinking suspicion that we're not going to be at 100%, but we might be at 100%. If we're at 100%, we're going to take it because I'm running late today. We're at 100% match. That's great. A lot of inefficiency in this solution. Not the least of which is that we get this clip path thing going on. And probably we could have used like variables or other different ways to do this. We have other options for triangles, including border color, transparent borders, or negative borders to create some of those slope shapes. We could also do conic gradients. A lot of different choices there. All right, so what do we do? Like I said, I think we're just minifying unit replace and be done with it. But this will be one that I probably will do myself. I probably won't record on it because this is not efficient code. Look at all that code. It's a lot of code, but it's fun. Hope you're having a good day out there. Today I learned about set. Set is an API in the browser and in JavaScript or ECMAScript or TypeScript or any of the whichever of the runtimes that you're looking at. And I'd never heard of it before, but it seems pretty interesting. I don't do JavaScript on this channel, but it's sort of fun to learn about something that's got wide browser support and that I've never used before, and it might be interesting for some of the things that I build. Anyway, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and go make a web page.